Page 22, Hornpipe. It's a piece from a suite or a collection of music pieces called Water Music by Handel. It's a gorgeous piece. I recommend go listen to this too. It's wonderful. You can read all about it in the little blurb they have in the book and all that too. Let's talk about this slightly. I'm going to start with the right hand. Now notice the time signature. We're in 3/2. Well, that makes it interesting because now there's only 3 beats in a measure, but we're counting half notes. So there's 3 half notes in a measure, the equivalent of 3 half notes. Look at the first measure. You got 3 half notes here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, each one gets a beat, which means quarter notes get half a beat. 1 and 2 and 3 and. Look at the next measure. 1 and 2 and 3 and. Well, that means eighth notes get 1/4 of a beat. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 and. Good luck. Look at the first measure, second line. I'm just going to do the right hand. 1 and 2 and 3 E and a 3 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a. Like so. That's how it goes. Now, the way I approach this kind of thing, because I got to slow it way down to learn the notes and all, is I will temporarily replace that time signature so I'm counting quarter notes because I'm used to quarter notes. So instead of 2/3, I'm going to make it 6/4, where there's 6 counts in a measure. I'm counting quarter notes. So at the beginning, we're going back to 2 notes per beat, or yeah, two beats per note, depending on which way you're going. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and. With eighth notes, then it's just 1 and 2 and. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and. 1 and 2 and. And that helps me figure out this rhythm. Slowly and carefully I can do this. At the top of page 23, those starting with the 3 G's, the quarter notes. So if I count it in 6, that's 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. Then when I get the rhythm, I go back to what's written. All it is you're going faster, pretty much. Not always, but usually. So to count in 3/2 time, starting at the top of page 23, 1 and 2 and 3, those are quarter notes. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 E and a 2 and 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E. Tricky. So just watch the rhythm carefully and work it out slowly and you'll get it. What you don't do is you wait till me or somebody plays it first and just copies their rhythm. Please learn to do this rhythm yourself. Really. The left hand pretty much has a melody, and there's nothing other than the rhythm that's tricky about it. You're staying in this position and you're just playing the notes. You got some staccatos in there, but you can just pluck them. That's fine. The left hand, let's talk about the left hand. You're starting out okay with 5/1. Stay here. Then on page 23, look here, you're in the first measure, you're here. Then you got all these rests, and then you got to move your hand up, so you got 3 and 1 on the A, C. Got plenty of time to do it. While you're playing these notes, you can move the hand up. And now you're in this position. And that's fine. So you get to the last line. First measure you're here, then a rest, and then the first half note is 4th finger, second one is with the thumb, and then here. We use this technique of using different fingers on repeated notes to help us change hand positions. We use it for other reasons too, but this is a good reason. You're changing hand positions from here to here, and we're doing this to do it. That's good. Eventually you want to get to where you can do that without looking, so where you can feel, where you can use two different fingers on the same key and go back and forth without having to look down. You have to look down at first. So with all that said, let's try this out very slowly. The metronome is beating half notes. It's beating the beat. So it's like a 1, 2, 3. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a, hey, yeah, like so. So go ahead and put your hands where they go. I'll give us 3 counts. That's 3 half notes, and we'll come in. 1, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3. Let's go ahead and try this duet thing. I'm going to duet and you're going to do what you did, but go up an octave again. So instead of here, go here. Just middle C went up an octave. It does that sometimes, you know. So at this speed, you're going to speed this up quite a bit. Look at this. It's like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Can you play it that fast? See, work on it until you can get it that fast, and then try it with me as a duet. 1, ready, go.